I was lost. Waiting. Needed forgiveness. You always gave me that. Hey, baby. What's up, baby? We got Bliss back. Everything is good. We re-blissed. Re-blissed in the mist.
I got to wake up by your side. We are out, y'all. And it's our 34th anniversary.
Thank God for giving me you.
This is Bliss. So let's walk inside and see what the captain is up to. Hey, Captain.
Bliss is back. Cleaning up behind the warranty work. And we're back. You probably haven't seen us for a while because Bliss was in for warranty repair and Bliss's first oil change because we did just hit our first anniversary. So first we had to find a servicer to get our warranties repaired done. And we got that put in. Bliss has been going for about 5.5 weeks. And since then you've been seeing the captain, Janice, doing her gardening videos. Bliss is completely empty and we're in the process of filling her back up because we're going camping. Warranties, repairs are not finished yet, but they said we're still waiting on a few parts. Come and get your vehicle, go camping, because we know the fun is outside and we're trying to have some fun outside. All right, we're here at our home base and we're parked in our driveway, and our driveway is sloped. And we have to park in our driveway today because we need to reload Bliss with all of our great gear. But one thing we need to remember is when we are on a sloped pad or sloped driveway like we have today, our refrigerator shouldn't be on. And that's something that we should all remember. When running and operating your refrigerator, you should be level, somewhere within 3 or 6 degrees, you know, left, right, north, or should I say north, south, east, and west. But you need to remember that because in order for your refrigerator to function properly, it should be level. And just keep that in mind. Always check your owner's manual, see what proper specs that you have on your specific refrigerator. But that's just one thing that we always have to keep sharing with each other. You know, knowledge is power. And show you some of the compartments before we fill it right back up. Here we have our black and gray tanks, which I connected our wrenches to. Because sometimes when those hoses get pressurized, those hoses sometimes get hard to disconnect. And we carry around 20 feet of hose. Obviously we have our 30-amp connection, our cable, our city water, and our sandy flush, and also our Truma hot water heater. Our propane tank, we have 12-gallon propane, and I put a little clock down there just to give me the time, humidity, and temperature. Our great storage space that we have right here. I have a three-position broom that I attach to that also. I like brooms, sweeping things out, sweeping the campsite out, things like that. And this will be completely filled. Every time you get it back, you have to shake it down again. And that's what we're doing, cleaning it up, shaking it down, ready to hit the ground. Again, we just got our coach back. It's been going for 5.5 weeks. So we need to exercise the generator. You need to exercise your generator at least once a month with the load on. We're going to exercise it for about an hour and a half, hour and 15 minutes. And it's going to have a nice load on it. We'll probably have some good time while we're in it. You know, rediscovering the RV. Every time you're gone from it, you have to rediscover it. We found that out. So, you know, watch a little TV, maybe use a microwave or two. But definitely going to run that generator for over an hour with the load on it. That's what you got to do. Exercise your generator. Exercise the generator for 1 hour. It has a low refrigerator, television, and maybe you might run the microwave just to see what happens. It's time for the cleanup, time to load it up, time to fill it up. It's a shakedown and go for a drive. You ready for our next trip? All right, this is Bliss.
And my dining room is where everything has been stored these last 5 weeks, so I can't wait to get it all cleaned up. Ah, it's back.